Hi, welcome to the Game Changers. So yesterday we spoke about two scenarios, one a bullish scenario and one a bearish scenario. We talked about how we should preserve our capital and why we should be defensive. ठीक है? चलो, let's have a look at what has happened today. So when we go on a 3-minute chart, we had said yesterday that these were the breakdown levels, right? And what we wanted was a move up, a consolidation of some kind, and then a breakout, right? We were not waiting for a 3-minute pivot here. So there was a valid setup, right? This was the setup, this was a stop, and your 1:2 target was not achieved. So what should one do in such a case? What one should do is, when the 50 moving average has gone up and pivots are being made, one should trail the stop loss here and one should be out. It is completely fine if 1:2 is not achieved, and even if it gets achieved, this type of exit will help you for future times. So what to expect for tomorrow? We are on an hourly time frame. We are still clear cut in an uptrend. But this can even become a lower high, right? What I want to do is avoid shorting here just to get this kind of move. It can very well happen that this move can happen, but I would want to avoid it because the overall structure is bullish and I want to stay a bit long rather than thinking about the bearish scenario. If this happens, I am willing to let go of the setup. On the upside, what I would be willing to do is, because today has been a good bullish day and daily is a big candle, what we are going to do is we want some kind of follow through. So what we have to do for that is mark the day's high, wherever that is, and after that we want a significant move up ahead, a 3-minute pivot, and then breakout. A 3-minute pivot is crucial in this scenario. We don't want to buy this kind of pivot here. We don't want something here. We want some kind of follow through. We want the market to show us ki there is some kind of buying happening. Now, just in case people want to anticipate and short, I wouldn't want to do it, but just in case people want to do it, what we should do is take the retracement of this, and once price starts closing below the 50% and the 61.8% level, here the 50% and the 61.8, once price starts going below those levels, consolidates and then breaks down, that would be a valid setup to short. I personally am not willing to do it, but if anybody wants to do it, they can, right? Chalo, that was all for today. Now, when I talk about why I don't want to take a particular side, right? Suppose I don't want to short support. The main reason is that the overall trend is quite strong. So the move that I'm going to get on the downside possibly is going to be like a pullback to the mean reversion, or something like it could be even choppy. So what we want to try and catch is a trending move. We don't want to get stuck in some correction that is against the trend. Okay? Try to stay with the trend as much as possible. Don't try and anticipate a top anywhere. Also have a look at the weekend video where I've talked about how we can increase the chance of finding multi-mega stocks. Chalo, have a look at it and see you tomorrow. Bye.